Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about some very good stocks for swing trading that we can take for tomorrow. And if you guys like the video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. And if you guys want regular updates on investment and stock market, please check out our Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description below. And let's start with the analysis of Bank Nifty guys. Let's go for 15 minutes time frame. And let's see what the Bank Nifty did today. And as you guys remember, I told the Bank Nifty can react to this buying level, and it did, and it closed around 36,850. So let's see what the Bank Nifty can do tomorrow. If the Bank Nifty opens flat, we have a resistance over here. It can react at this resistance, and we have support over here, and it can make a higher hand. It can break out because it has consolidated for a significant amount of time. So I don't think so. This resistance are going to be very strong to hold this momentum. And if you see for the resistance, we have a resistance in the range of 37,200 to 37,250. So after Bank Nifty taking out this high, there's a huge it is a very strong resistance, and the Bank Nifty can react from here. So if the Bank Nifty opens gap down, the Bank Nifty can come till 36,500, and I don't think so this support going to help the Bank Nifty because it has been already been tested many times, and the Bank Nifty can come to this day closing, that is 36,400. And that's all for the answers of Bank Nifty guys. Let's go for the stocks, and let's do a daily time frame analysis. And the first stock will be State Bank of India. So let's see what the State Bank of India did. So as you guys can see on the chart, the State Bank of India reacted from its support, and it has reversed by making a W pattern, and we have resistance at this level. You guys can see on the chart, there's a consolidation happened and it tanked in. So, and it is trying, and it is making a consolidation at this level. So what you guys can do is you guys can go along on the stock having a sell of 419. The minimum target for the stock will be 450, and the next target will be 460. And the next stock will be Federal Bank. And as you guys know, that I tell in all my videos, that this kind of pattern is very strong, and it can give a very huge momentum in upcoming days. And it is also recovering in a W pattern by taking support from its buying level. So you guys can go along on the stock having a sell of 81, and the minimum target for the stock will be 86. And for risky traders, you can hold the stock till 90. And the next stock is Jindal Steel. So after fall in steel market or steel stocks, so the steel indices is recovering, and even these steel stocks are recovering. So as you guys can see on the chart, it is reacting from its buying level. So what you guys can do is you guys can go along in the stock, and you can have a very small SL, that is 367, and the minimum target for the stock will be 400. And for risky traders, you guys can hold the stock till 420. The next stock is RBI Bank. Let's do a weekly time frame analysis. After reacting from its buying level, let's go for daily time frame. Took support, and it made a very good green candle, and it has made a inside candle too. So what you guys can do is you guys can go along on this stock having a sell of 166, and the minimum target for the stock will be 180, and the second target for the stock will be 190. And thank you guys for watching for the video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much.